Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another side that pays you money, just doing simple thing. So this app really pays you just clicking on Apple and earn money. Wow. So per click on this Apple is what? One coin. You have uploaded the same video like that before. So this Apple pays you when you click on it. So this was take this Apple. So this is the app. So when you take this Apple, we are going to earn money just playing game. Wow. So this is it. Can you see I've already earned 87 Apple. So when you click here start, so you press fire something like this to earn money. I know that wow, some of you love this type of this thing. So it's very easy. Just what claiming the Apple. The more Apple you claim, so can you see it? And what you need to be very fast. Can you see, because of the accounting time, it's time that is using. So don't know. Can you see it? Wow, I just earn 100 coins. So when you click here now, you what tap on it like 5 times. It's going to bring your coin out to withdraw your money. So you just need to what click here coin. So per coin, you just click here 100 coin, 100 Apple is 0.01. 100 Apple is 0.01. The thing is not showing, just a little bit small, and we can't zoom it, so it's 0.01. So that's it. So and the minimum Apple you need is what? 16,000 Apple. Wow, 60,000 Apple. So you don't need to come here, change your account to what? Payee. You're going to write payee here. So when you write payee, you set it, you just press trade. So it's going to trade this for you to your payee account in the next 24 hours. You just need to press start. Click here. Can you see it is very easy to earn on it? Very easy, just playing a game and earning money, such like that. Can you see it? So it pays it to your PayPal and Payee. So wow, as you load these ads now, you're also earning Apple per ads to load. So just need to press cancel. You can see it double. So like keep clicking on it. You don't need to sign up and do anything. So but one thing is that if you delete the app, your coin is going to restart. So do not delete the app. This one is no refiring, just playing games on it. You can also press cancel. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share these videos for more.